Hello and welcome to Christmas Crafts 365. For today's ornaments, I'm going to be showing you how I made 5 different ornaments using wooden beads, and they're very easy. This first one was an ornament already, but honestly it was kind of boring to me. That's all there was, just the jute and some brown wooden beads, so I wanted to zhuzh it up a bit. I couldn't use this string again because it was too wiggly, so I added my own jute to the top and wanted to give it a little bit of color. Now I've noticed lately this big boom in these wooden beads absolutely everywhere. So last year we found a lot of them at Walmart on sale after Christmas. So we had so many that I wanted to use up quite a bit of them. So I'm just doing a simple red, black, red pattern, tying the top of it so that the beads do not slide off. And I am going to add a little bow using this checkered, black and red checkered ribbon that I found at Hobby Lobby. Now I am going to warn you that because these are all wooden beads, the ornaments are a little bit similar and a little bit repetitive, but I still wanted to show you all 5 of them. I was planning on cutting them up and using them in different videos, but I didn't end up doing that. I've had this footage for so long, I just wanted to share it with you. So here's my little ribbon that I had, and I just hot glued it to the string so that it's nice and secure. I didn't want to put it on the metal so that it wouldn't fall off, and I think that this is a much needed improvement than the last one. I think it's more colorful and just a lot prettier. I ended up doing 4 of these. Now for the next ornament, I found this long string of beads from Hobby Lobby, and again I'm just going to cut it all to pieces and use the pieces to make my own ornament. So taking all the beads off and the string at the top and creating my own little ornament. I didn't want, of course, the gingerbread man go away, so I'm using him and some of the beads that did come with it. Now can someone please tell me, what are those long beaded strands for? I feel like they're too heavy for a tree, but you wouldn't just hang them on the wall, so I don't quite know how you decorate with them. I saw one sometime that said it was for like a tray, like you wrap it around your tray or something to make it pretty on a table, but I didn't quite get that either. So to me, the best way to use it is just to cut up the pieces and use them for crafts. But if somebody knows, tell me in the comments down below what in the world you use this long string of beads for. For this one, I added a bow to the very top of the beads, and I thought they looked really cute. Gingerbread is one of my favorite things. And for the next couple, again, a long strand of beads, but these are 2 different styles. I found these at Hobby Lobby as well after Christmas last year. Now I'm still seeing them out in stores, so if you are wanting to make something like this, you can definitely still find it. I don't think the bead trend is going away anytime soon, but I like these because, of course, the cardinal is a beautiful symbol around Christmas time. The other one is just a really pretty tag that says Merry Christmas. So I thought that these ornaments looked nice as well and fit in with this theme of doing beads. Now at first I thought my mom just kept buying all these beads. I kept seeing her bring them home, and I thought, why are you buying all these beads? But we have actually used a ton of them for our crafts. They've been really great added additions to our ornaments. So don't be afraid to get a lot of the same thing. You will be surprised how much you'll use it. So similar to the last ornaments, I am adding a little bow, one at the top of the cardinal and one down below by the tag. And I think these turned out really nice as well. I do have another ornament I'm going to show you, but remember in the comments to tell me which one you like the best. Now this was a little bit different. This one had a lot of peppermint, so I was able to make several ornaments out of this one. And because there was a hole at the bottom, I had to put a bead at the bottom so that the peppermint would not slide off. And I'm also adding, again, some beads at the top. I didn't think this one required a bow. I thought this one looked fine just as is, but I like that there was several so that I could end up making multiple ornaments instead of just one for this one. How many of you decorate with candy themed things? I'm just curious. I have found that I do that a little bit more because I like gingerbread men. So again, here are all of my ornaments. I ended up making 5 different styles. Tell me which one's your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.